Welcome back. Now it's a double whammy for consumers as there's petrol hike, fuel price hike and LPG prices both have been skyrocketing over the past several months now. Now domestic LPG cylinder prices have been hiked by rupees 15 per cylinder today. A non-subsidized cylinder in Delhi will now cost around 899.50 rupees from today per cylinder. The new rates, remember, are effective from today itself. On the other hand, fuel prices were hiked for the 9th time in 12 days today. So the petrol prices continue to breach the 100 rupees per litre mark in 5 cities, which includes Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Bhopal, as well as Kolkata. In Bhopal, even diesel is selling for around 100 rupees per litre. So what we can in fact see is that over the past several days now, fuel prices have in fact been increasing. We've reported that over the past 12 days. But now even LPG cylinder prices have been hiked. It had already been hiked twice at least over the past 3 or 4 months, and now again another hike which has taken place today by 15 rupees per cylinder. And just to give our viewers an estimate, a non-subsidized cylinder in Delhi is now close to 900 rupees per cylinder. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who's joining us from Bengaluru. Neha, what we can in fact see is that consumers are being weighed down by constant increase that we can see in terms of fuel prices, and also LPG cylinder hike has also taken place today. You're of course reporting to us from Bengaluru, and fuel prices, what we have seen as far as Bengaluru is concerned, even there the prices have in fact been going up. It is around 106 rupees per litre petrol today, and diesel close to 100 rupees per litre.
Well, that's absolutely right, Tanima. You know what's rather strange over here is that at this petrol bunk just about 3 days back where we were, these very figures that you're seeing of 106 and 97 were down by at least about 57, 67 paisa for fuel, for petrol and for diesel. And even, though we're seeing, of course, this inch in just a few paise, 40 paise, 50 paise, 60 paise, it's having a grave impact on commuters over here. You can actually see over here at the bunk that we're at, a rather deserted look around us as well, of course, because more and more people, as they're starting to feel the pinch, are actually unable to fill, fuel. And of course, it's only those people who are heavily dependent on their vehicles on a daily basis, do not have another option, are the ones who are really struggling. I'm going to try and take this to a few commuters and just understand from them the issues that they are facing and, what exactly the government should be doing, the state government in this sense also. सर अगर अभी हम आपको सर अगर आप बता सकते हैं हमको हर रोज़ पेट्रोल और डीजल का मतलब दाम बढ़ रहा है, आपको इससे मतलब कुछ असर तो पड़ रहा होगा?
हाँ, रेट बढ़ गया है, पूरा नुकसान हो रहा है। फर्स्ट 500 का चलता 1 भी करा था, अब 800 हो गया।
हाँ,
अब नुकसान हो गया। कम हुआ तो रेट अच्छा है, पेट्रोल का रेट कम हुआ तो अच्छा है।
तो आपको क्या लगता है, मतलब कर्नाटक सरकार को कुछ इसके बारे में कुछ करना चाहिए, मतलब कुछ कैप लगाना चाहिए इस पर, कुछ टैक्सेस को
करना चाहिए।
जी, ठीक है, थैंक यू. Well, in fact, Tanima, right now we're speaking to several commuters over here also a little while earlier, students, goods vehicle owners as well, who are all saying that as the costs have increased, even transportation costs for many of these goods vehicle owners have increased because naturally petrol, diesel prices are on the rise. The last time that we had actually taken up this issue of the petrol price hike and we had even questioned the government on this, they had said that, they would consider, in fact, putting a cap on it, but that has still not been done now. And even in the city of Bengaluru, much like other places, commuters continue to suffer.
That's right. Neha is of course joining us from Patna. Aditya, what are the rates at petrol pumps in Patna today?
Well, to be very honest, the rates are actually unprecedented and the commuters here are facing the wrath of the increased fuel prices. That being said, standard petrol actually stands for like 106 rupees 10 paise, while the premium petrol sells for like 109 and 75 paise per liter. standard diesel is as high as 98 rupees per liter, and this is something in a city like Patna where you don't have many alternative options of public transport. Even the metro is in process of its construction. So the people have to depend on their vehicles to commute for their professional as well as personal purposes. And we'll try to talk to some of the local commuters who have gathered here to get the fuel secured for their respective vehicles. We'll try to talk to a couple of them and try to understand what impact has it brought in their lives. अभी के पेट्रोल प्राइसेस पे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? क्या अंतर पड़ा है आपके बजट में?
बजट पे अच्छा खासा डिफरेंस आया है। पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस ने हम लोगों का बजट भी बिल्कुल ही ख़राब कर दिया है। लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में तो मतलब 1000 रुपये तक का डिफरेंस आता है एक ट्रिप पे ही। ऐसे शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस में भी पहले मैं 500 में एक हफ्ते घूम लेता था, वो कॉस्ट शायद 800 रुपये तक चला गया। तो और सिर्फ पेट्रोल ही नहीं, बाकी की चीज़ें भी महंगी होती हैं, जैसे कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हो गया, बच्चों का वो हो गया। गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कुछ पेट्रोल के प्राइस को कम करना, जीएसटी में लाना।
So that being said, the commuters are very clear that if at all the prices are brought under the GST, they believe they can have some breather, if not facing the exact problem as of now. Back to studio.
That's right, Aditya. Thank you so much for joining us with that. Both Aditya and Neha actually reporting from the petrol pumps there about the price hike, which has in fact hit the consumers once again for the 12th day in a row, the 9th time that fuel prices have in fact been hiked.